The Rise and Fall of the Great Powers was written by Paul Kennedy in 1987. This book explains why some empires rise and some fall. The main message of the book is economic superpower tend to become military dominant too, which creates a vicious circle of high defense spending and low civil investment and hence a decline of power. This book explored the rise of nation power from roughly 1700 to the end of the Cold War. For nations to maintain their status, they must balance their expenditure relative to defense with investment in technology, take the necessary steps in sustaining economic development, and manage resources. The author is convinced that the rise and fall of great powers cannot be attributed to random and unrelated circumstances.